I'm the Medicare mama, and I have people all the time that say, who are you? Why are you giving advice? What is you're just an agent. And they say that in a very derogatory way. So I thought I'd do a video to help you get to know me. And this is my son, my oldest child, Elliot. He's currently the president of the MedicareFamily.com. Something interesting about us is that my ex-husband over here on the right and his new wife, Leslie, also work with us. So we are truly one big family. Our family gatherings are fantastic because everybody's talking about Medicare insurance. Won a lot of awards, so I'm not like an average agent, no offense to average agents, but I have a lot of awards. You can see some awards here from United Healthcare, from Cigna, from Aetna, from United Globe, from Medico. I generally don't talk about that stuff, but I'm the president of a different company than the Medicare Family, which is called Gordon Marketing, where I work with insurance agents. So I've trained thousands of agents across all 50 states in my 30-year career. That's my primary job, which is training insurance agents because I'm an expert. I was the first female on the National Agent Advisory Board for United Healthcare, and this was back in 2008. There's still not a lot of women at my level of insurance, but I'm very proud that I was there. I've been on the advisory board for many different insurance companies. This is my sister and I, Rebecca Gordon. We were the #1 field marketing office in the nation for United Healthcare, which means we, as a company that trains insurance agents, we were the #1 in the nation that year. This is a bunch of my awards from Mutual Omaha. You can see this one, Sylvia Gordon, 2011. I have many, many years of sales awards from Mutual Omaha. Anthem, Blue Cross, Aetna. This shows you I'm one of the top 3 in the nation with United American, with Globe, and some of my awards. I generally don't talk about those things. I don't talk about the other company that I'm a president of, which is Gordon Insurance, where we sell property and casualty insurance locally in Indiana. So that's why I say I'm really busy, because I'm of Gordon Marketing, Gordon Insurance, and I work with my son at the MedicareFamily.com. So that's who I am. I'm also an attorney. I'm also a proud chicken farmer. If you've watched a lot of my videos, you've seen my chickens, my peacocks, my guineas, and my pride and joy, my goats. And I hope that gives you a little bit more confidence in working with us, my level of experience, and just who I am as a lady. If you like this video, you might really like this video. Check it out. And we'd appreciate if you subscribe to our channel so you never miss a great video. We put out one every week. Check in the description below this video for a link to our cheat sheet on Social Security and Medicare. And you can also give us a comment if you have a specific question. Always feel free to call us or email us at the Medicare Family.